Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the network settings of a phone and any Android device, Huawei, Samsung or any other Android devices. You can reset the network setting in case if you're having any problem with the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or the signals of the phone. So you can try this method by resetting the network settings and it might help you. There are some other solutions also, but try this method first in case if you're having any issues with the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So first thing you must try, it's go into the setting. In the system you see reset. Here you have three options: reset all settings, reset network settings and factory data reset. Don't try this factory data reset because it's gonna delete everything from your phone. This is network settings. You can try this option. It's this network setting reset. It will only reset your network like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or any connected devices via Bluetooth will be disconnected. All your Wi-Fi saved password will be reset and then you have to reconnect your Wi-Fi. But if you have any problem with the Wi-Fi, you can try this method first. So I'm just gonna reset the network setting. It's giving you this warning that this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and the Bluetooth. So just gonna try network reset. Press again. Network setting has been reset. So just for safe side, you can restart the device, and I'm just gonna say restart and then see if the problem has been sorted. There you go, phone has been reset and all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth device, all the network settings has been reset, and hopefully this video will help you to solve your problem.